applications. Gravity field. Modeling. Earth tides, measuring the tides, Earth's rotation, and intraplate deformation or Earth orientation. So that what is the accuracy is a good figure 811 of the book. Very good figure actually. It shows that in 1965 and up to here's 1995, was 2003 that the book has been written. How the accuracy of this one has changed from 3 meters in 1970 is 1 meter. 1975 it comes to 30 centimeter, and then to 10 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and here is 1 millimeter. So as we see, the gravity fields are here. So for accuracy in 1970, 65 and 1970, the gravity models that have been computed actually use this SLR data, which have this accuracy. And when the accuracy of this SLR data increases, more applications were created with use for that. So for example, for orbit determination, you can use the satellite laser ranging data for and combine it with the integrated orbit or the predicted orbit. And if you have geodetic coordinates for cross geodetic coordinate, you can do the positioning, and the positioning you can add SLR data as a constraint to improve the quality. And you can have you can measure tides and also the intraplate, but sometimes when you have the high accuracy for it. These are the applications for that. So for positioning generally, I can say, for is the gravity first, positioning, and geodynamics.